guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a while, but things have been happening. It's still COVID, so yeah, I will update you guys in a later video. But today I am doing an iGel Beauty polish swatches, and as you can see, I am wearing this baby pink color, and I am wearing it on my nails today. So as you can see, I am doing 2 coats of all of these colors, and I believe I do have a total of 12 here. So this second color is Cozy Cashmere, and this one is a little bit on the sheer side. So I do love this color as like a nice fleshy kind of color. My sister really loves this color. It's kind of like a really nice nude. But one thing I will say about this iGel Beauty colors is that they are very beautiful. They layer beautiful, and they do not wrinkle easily. So if you do end up putting a lot on at once, it doesn't wrinkle, and they are very beginner friendly, and that's one thing that I do love. And this yellow color is just amazing. And I do include here the names of the colors on the bottle, and I do leave them here on the screen just for your reference as well. And this color Malibu is like an orangey red color, and some of these I like to call one coat wonders, and this one is kind of like a half one coat wonder. I mean, just it's just beautiful with like a second coat. And I always go in with at least 2 coats, and this candy apple color is just completely gorgeous. I mean, all of these colors I have are gorgeous. Just look at that. Just 1 coat. All you need is just 1 coat with this one. But to make it a little bit more opaque, you do need at least 2 coats with this one. So guys, I really did miss you, and I really did miss this channel. I am coming back with new videos. I have a whole bunch of new ideas for you, and those will be coming. I am trying to get back on my schedule once a week. And just a quick just look at this one. Oh my gosh, it's like just 1 coat. Envy me? Oh my gosh, just look. And with 2 coats, oh my gosh, I can't this color, like, oh my gosh, I just love it. And these are so affordable, and these, I believe they always have like 60% off, 50% off sales, so you can get some of these for like $3 or $4, and you don't have to break the bank. You can buy like 15-20 of them and only spend like maybe $50. And this coat Alluring Amethyst, you do have to go in with like maybe 2 to 3 coats to get a very good opacity, but it's just a beautiful color just all around. And with lovely lavender, this one is on the sheer side, and it's a little bit hard to see. I do believe I end up putting my hand under the color just so that you can see how the color just comes out. It's such a beautiful lavender color. As you can see here, it's just so amazing. I just can't get over the fact that these gel polishes are affordable. They're great for beginners. I do recommend this brand to everyone. And I'm sorry if I'm like just talking throughout this whole video. I just can't stress enough how beautiful this brand is and how beautiful all of these colors are. And I did actually buy some more after these, so if you want a part 2 to this video, please like this video and also comment down below what videos you would like to see next, because I am going to be doing like some Q&As. I'm going to be doing some, you know, like showing off some more designs if you guys were like that, how I package my press-on nails, because I'm still doing some orders, so I can't wait for you guys to see that. And here in the end, I do kind of end up rushing because the battery in my camera was about to die. So some of these you don't see me doing the second coat. So I end up just showing you the color on hand, and I'm kind of sorry for that. I was kind of running out of time and I wanted to get all of the colors in. And these green colors, like damn. Like damn. And I'm sorry if you hear my dog in the background. She's yelling for her mother. Like, I'm so sorry. If you would like to see how I create my press-on nails, comment down below. If you would like to see anything special, just leave it all down below and I will happily do that for you guys. Like I said, I'm in this for you, and I just love, giving you guys some information because I have been on my grind lately, and I just love creating new designs. And here I'm just showing you the last swatches because my camera was dying. So here is Tanning Please Don't Fade, Vintage Lace, and here is the last blue color, Bellissimo Blue, which is so beautiful. But that is mainly it for this video. Comment down below, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys, love you.